DIYers, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking hydrangea plants today and what to do with them in the fall season. For us, hands off, basically nothing. I'll show you what I'm talking about when we get outside. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers outside, and it is late October, just shy of early November, and as you can see, I've got hydrangeas in front of me, and these were white hydrangeas just a few weeks ago, but as they dry up in the cold weather, they kind of dry up and turn brownish, reddish, or purplish, as you can see. And to the left is a different style hydrangea plant, and that bloomed blue hydrangeas this summer, and they were very pretty. And they alternate white and blue all the way to the house. And what I'm going to do, just to show you, I'm actually going to leave everything as is for the winter. I might snip a few of the flowers away. However, for the most part, what I want to do is leave everything as is during the winter and show you what it looks like in the spring, because my white hydrangeas are basically deadwood growth, and a lot of people use that term. And basically what that means is come springtime, you will see new life or new growth growing out of the original or what look to be dead stems, and they grow fast into beautiful new portions of the hydrangea plant. However, my blue hydrangeas are not deadwood growth, meaning if I leave everything as is, which I'm going to, just to show you, come springtime, you will notice nothing grows out of the dead looking stems. Everything comes up from the soil as fresh new life and fresh new growth, and ultimately growing into a hydrangea plant. So with that said, again, leaving as is, we'll see you in the spring. It is now the middle of winter, as you can see, with the snow on the ground. A cold, gloomy, overcast day. We'll see you in the spring. All right, DIYers, it is springtime, and as you can see, not much growth or no growth whatsoever on the actual stems. And what I'm going to do is clip the buds, basically shrink the plant itself. We'll see you in 2 weeks. Two-week update, DIYers. Here we are, and the hydrangeas are beginning to bloom, showing healthy spring life and growth. What I'll do is give you another update here in 2 weeks. Going into the garden, and we have a lot of leaves. We are going to carefully remove all of these leaves. And you can see quite a lot of hydrangea growth already in this early spring days. Again, just in the event that you have a bunch of leaves to the root of your hydrangea area, go ahead and carefully remove those without pulling accidentally any of the new hydrangea life. 2-week update, DIYers. Here it is. Doing very well. We are excited. It's going to take a little while for those to bloom, but they are showing good, healthy life. All right, DIYers, here it is. 2-week update on the hydrangea plant. Good, healthy signs of life here, as I mentioned 2 weeks ago. And they are a lot more filled out as opposed to 2 weeks ago. It's incredible how fast they can grow. And rewind 2 weeks ago, remember what it looked like. It was more dead stem than growth, as you can see here. I'll show you in 2 weeks what it looks like. 2-week update on the hydrangeas. Our knockout roses are blooming. However, the hydrangeas, and they are filling out very well. And here in 2 weeks, we will begin to see the buds growing. And not too long after that, the flowers. And those are blue hydrangeas, and those are white. They alternate. Blue, white, that little one's a blue one. White, blue, white, blue, and that far end one is white. We'll give you another update here in 2 weeks. 2-week update on the white hydrangeas, and it's getting taller. And I can actually see right down in here what will be the upcoming hydrangea flowers. And we're excited to see what they look like here in 2 weeks. 2-week update on the hydrangea. 2 weeks, it should be in full bloom. 2-week update, and these are really taking off, as you can see. Big difference from 2 weeks ago. Doing really, really well. 2-week update, DIYers, and I'm very pleased with the health of our hydrangeas, and hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.